How to fix Spotify not responding on Windows and Mac. Here are some tips that would help you fix Spotify not responding on Windows and Mac. 1. Close then rerun the Spotify app. 2. Reboot your device. Three. Completely shut down the Spotify process using Task Manager. For Mac users, run Activity Monitor. 4. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Spotify on computer. 5. Disable the hardware acceleration option. 6. Updating your operating system.